Hello students, welcome back to our video. So in the last video we completed the chapter number 5. So there are first 5 chapters included in your first half yearly paper. So from today we are going to start with the revision. So let's start with the first chapter, that is nature, purpose and scope of business. So you learn in the first chapter about the economic activity, non-economic activity, difference between economic and non-economic activity, types of economic activity, then meaning and definition of business, profession, employment, then classification of business activities, trade, commerce and industry. So now let's start with the revision from the first chapter. So economic activity. You saw that economic activity is an activity carried out with the objective of economic benefit or monetary consideration. So, economic activity is always carried out with the objective of earning profit or monetary consideration. So, if any activity which is done with the for the social purpose, that activity is not considered as economic activity because its objective is not to earn the profit. So, economic activity is an activity which is carried out with the objective of economic benefit or monetary consideration. Whereas non-economic activity, so the objective of non-economic activity is neither monetary return nor economic gains. So, non-economic activity is an activity which is carried out without the objective of earning profit. For example, social services carried out by social worker, nursing activity by mother for her children, working of volunteer propagating the unity of community, then volunteer working in relief camps where the people are affected by natural calamities like earthquake, tsunami, etc. are all called non-economic activities. So now let's see the difference between economic activity and non-economic activity. So the first objective of economic activity is motive is to get economic benefit, whereas the objective of non-economic activity is social services, human services or services to country. Then expectations. Expectation, like in economic activities, expectation is profit, salary, fees and maximization of wealth, whereas in non-economic activity, expectation is services to country and social service. Then type. So in economic activity, there are mainly 3 types: business, profession and employment, and there are no types of non-economic activity. Then fourth point is risk and uncertainty. So in economic activity there remain risk and uncertainty. So there is risk and uncertainty in economic activity, whereas there is no risk and uncertainty in the non-economic activity. So the next topic that you learned was about the types of economic activity. So there are mainly 3 types of economic activities, that is business, profession and employment. So business, meaning of business. The term business is derived from the English word busy, which means to remain active or to be active continuously. Business is carried out with the motive of getting profit and wealth. So, the concept of business is related with the profit motive. Sometimes loss is also incurred in business even though it is an economic activity. So, the precise definition of business is the business means any legal economic activity with the motive of profit. That is known as business. So, the next that you learned was characteristics of economic activity. So first characteristics is objective of profit. So business is always done with the motive of profit because business is an economic activity with the motive of profit. Any business done without the motive of profit, that is not considered as business. So objective of business is profit, earning profit or maximization of profit. Then second characteristic was exchange of goods and services. So exchange of goods and services takes place when goods and services are sold either by manufacturing or by purchasing. So business involves exchange of goods and services. For example, a company manufacturing electric equipments exchanges physical goods, while a company providing electric services exchanges services. So second characteristic was exchange of goods and services. Third one is risk and uncertainty. So you all know that business involves risk and element of uncertainty of return. Fourth is creation of utility. So to provide the satisfaction to the customer with the use of goods and services is called creation of utility. Means the first objective is maximization of profit. Second is providing satisfaction to the customer with the use of goods, that is known as creation of utility. Then fifth characteristic was continuance of activity. So transactions are carried out regularly and continuously in business. Then sixth was requirement of money. So for starting any business, money is the first money is the lifeblood of the business. So money is required from the beginning to the end of the business. Then seventh is economic activity. So business is a part of economic activity undertaken with the motive of maximization of profit. Then objectives. So you saw that there are two types of objectives, two parts. Objectives of business can be divided into two parts, that is economic and social. So in economic objectives includes profit, maximization of wealth and other economic objectives, whereas social objectives includes objective of social responsibility, objective to provide employment opportunities, then objective to provide quality goods and services, objective to adopt fair trade practices and other objectives. These all objectives are included under the social objectives. So objectives of business can be divided into two parts. First is economic objective and second is social objective. Economic objective includes maximization of profit, maximization of wealth and other economic objectives, whereas social objectives includes social responsibility, providing employment opportunities, providing quality goods and services, adopting fair trade practices and other social objectives. Now next topic was business risk. So business risk means there is an uncertainty of profit or risk of loss in the business. The uncertain event of the future affects the profit. Thus, it can be said that profit is a reward against the business risk. So, there are two types of risk in the business. First is natural risk and second is man-made risk. Natural risk is the risk like earthquake, flood. This natural risk hinder the growth of the business and destroy or damage the assets of the business, and the business has no control over the natural risk, whereas man-made risk hinder the development of business and has a result on the business has to suffer the loss. So these risks are strike of employees, change in technology, change in taste and demand of customers, political instability, risk of competition in the market and so on. These are the man-made risk, and business has control over the man-made risk, but business has no control over the natural risk. Then causes of business risk. What causes the business risk? So first one is change in technology. Second is threat of substitute products. Third one is competition. Fourth one is legislation. Fifth is uncertainty of demand, and sixth one is physical risk. This all causes the business risk. So this was the meaning and characteristics of the business. Now next is profession. So we are going to stop here. In the next video we would revise the remaining part from the first chapter, and if you have any questions or any doubts, please feel free to comment below the video. Thank you.